Welcome back, I'm Rachel, and in this video we're going to go over the structure and function of the deep posterior sacrococcygeal ligament. Firstly, where is this ligament located? This ligament is located in the pelvic region of the body. If we take a closer look at the ligaments on the posterior view of the pelvis, we can see this ligament highlighted in red. This ligament is also often considered the deep part of the posterior sacrococcygeal ligament, along with the superficial posterior sacrococcygeal ligament highlighted in yellow. Next, we're going to take a look at where this ligament originates from. This ligament originates from the sacrum bone, specifically from the posterior surface around the fifth sacral segment part of this bone. This ligament is a continuation of the posterior longitudinal ligament seen here highlighted in green. If we take a closer look at the sacrum bone, we can see highlighted in red where this ligament originates from. What about the course of this ligament? The fibers of this ligament run inferiorly down the remainder of the sacrum bone and down over the coccyx bone. Where does this ligament insert onto? This ligament inserts onto the coccyx bone, specifically onto the dorsal surface of this bone. If we take a closer look at the posterior view of the coccyx bone, we can see highlighted in red where this ligament inserts onto this bone. What is the function of this ligament? This ligament's primary function is in providing support and stabilizing the sacrococcygeal joint, which is the symphysis between the sacrum bone and the coccyx bone. And that concludes this video on the deep posterior sacrococcygeal ligament. I hope you found it helpful.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.